What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Do not worry about making. Sorry about that. Sorry that I had that motion. But anyways, day 2 of trying to get 750 coins. Like, wait, no. Day 2 of trying of getting 2,000. So last time, last time. Oh yeah, the game that's right here, that's just gone down. It's gonna be now the fact that we didn't make them outside. This is calling me like yesterday. Oh, how can I help you? Ooh, spider. Wait, in the last video we didn't saw a spider. That's what's the thing. Last video we didn't saw the spider. I know. Hello, editor Megami here. I just making sure you guys are enjoying the video and stuff. So yeah. Make sure to check out my TikTok. There should be like a photo of it on screen. Yeah. Make sure to comment down below. Know what is annoying. Next video. Sorry, like last time I didn't get to post like a video yesterday because I have some stuff to do and stuff. And I was giving away money and stuff. Yeah, I give away money to people, and yeah, I think that's all. Make sure to like and subscribe. You guys don't actually have to do it, but bye. More company. Go further down. What do you mean? Oh, there's a mimic right there. I did not see that. Freaking mimic. Yeah. Come catch me. Freaking mimic. Well, the mimic game changed the spot change. So, oh wait, no, the game changed the spot. Just went the wrong way. So, I just went the wrong way. I do not know how to hold it. Noah. Noah, answer me now. Someone come through. Noah. It's got this one key. You need money in animal company? You need money in animal company? Oh, suitcases are not that good because like people. Alright, it's not the way we did last time where we throw it up there, so let's go back. Yippee-ki-yay. You like what? I'm gonna join you. But when I'm done. Because I'm doing... We started this channel and... We started from 75. Let's go, chat. We're almost there. Oh yeah, no one. You need to check out my YouTube. I have a YouTube channel. You need to check it out. I post. Hope I don't die in hell first. That's the thing. I don't know. shit! Alright, it's time for the zoomies. Last thing we grab here. Oh, we're speeding right through all of those monsters. No, hey, no crushing on my house, twin. Alright, I'm gonna come and join in there. But first, let me go to apps so I can tell you. But, okay, so last time we got 120. So we got 100 company points today. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. I gotta go get this. See you guys later. Bye. It's very dying now.